Okay, so I'm going to go over the back end of the WordPress admin area. This is what you're going to see after you log in with the password and username that I'll give you separately. And so when I refer to the back end, that's what you see here. It's the administration area where you change settings. This is the front end. This is the actual website. So front end, back end. And so when you log in, this is what you're going to see. This is WordPress. You're looking at the control kind of area. What you see up front is WooCommerce, which is the eCommerce plugin that we're using. And it just displays your basic information right here, sales and orders, out of stock if you're using inventory. And then here we just have some quick stats of visitors and people that have come and checked out your website. And then you can add other little widgets and stuff over here if you need them. I'm trying to keep it as simple as possible, so that's all you're going to see on the front page. So this is called the dashboard, and first up, this is all your different choices on the left. Media is just a library of every image you've uploaded to the website. So if we go to it now, you'll see that that's what it is basically. It's a image browser. So you can insert these into other stuff, into articles or whatever you want to do. But that's all that is. It's nothing amazing. And so if we go down to here next is pages. This is a little more important. A page is, let's click on all pages. A page is, if we refer to the actual website, any one of these, reviews, our story, contact, and directions. So if you click on one of these, it takes you to a page. Ta-da! And so over here are all your pages. You remember we clicked on pages, all pages, and somewhere here is contact and directions. And so you click on that, and you'll see that this is an editing screen where you can change the title, you can change the text here, you can change the content in here. You can insert things like this little movable map and our street view. And this code here is, if you look on the page, actually a form. So you don't really need to play with that stuff, but you can see here where you can just change the text. So if we go back to all pages, you can see some of the other ones as well. About us, and you'll see this one has an image inserted. So if we go back here, and we go to our story, which is, I believe, the about us. Yeah. So you go here and you see the image. There it is on the page. There's a text where you change it. Now whenever you make a change, you want to click on update. And that's about all you need to know for the pages for right now. And so next section is WooCommerce. We click on here, and basically when you get orders, that's the first thing you're going to see. You can set up coupons, reports, all these different things. None of it's that important to you. Settings might be. You can go in here. This is just your address for various reasons within WooCommerce. It needs that. Products. Right here you can see, you can just change basic things, what weight things you're going to have, what size of the images on your website. There's a little sub menu for each part. A lot of this you won't be even bothering with at all. This part you will be. This is your shipping area. So under here, I think you just have a flat rate shipping. So let's have a look. Shipping options. Maybe it's a class. Maybe it's not even set up. Oh, actually, I'm sorry. It's under this. You click on the United States as a flat rate, and you'll see here anything within the United States is this flat rate. If you click on it, it's set up at $10. So that's under shipping, under WooCommerce. So that's pretty straightforward. Under here is products. Products are very similar to pages. You click on that and you'll get a list of products, like you get a list of pages. Except you'll see like the prices, what category they're in. Categories are set up over here also, and they're pretty self-explanatory. Bath soaps, glycerin soaps. They're just a way to organize your products. Okay. And so if you click on one of these real quick, we'll get into these deeper later. But you'll see here you have your title of your product, a brief description of it. Down here you'll have different sizes you set up. Over here you have category. You pick which category it is. You can add categories here. Here's your main image, and then down here you can set up more images if you have more of the same product. And so if you wanted to look what this looks like, you can just click on that and it'll take you to that actual product, and you'll see that it has different size options, related products, and the explanation or the description there, which you can change and always update if you make any changes. And you can also, under products, add a new product, and so I'll go over all of that in a separate video that covers all the product information. And so there's also the category setup. Profile is nothing interesting. It just allows you to change your color layout, whatever kind of stuff you want. It's just how the back end appears to you. It's not important. Next on the list is Smart Slider, and this is just a plugin that controls the slideshow right here on the front page. And so this plugin has a lot of stuff going on, but the only thing you have to worry about is this one right here that says main page. That's the one that you want to edit at any time. And so if you ever feel like you want to add new images to this, you're going to come to here. You can see all the images that are in there. You can move them around if you want to, put them in different places. And down here is the size of it, 1200 by 400. So if you go into Photoshop, any photos you want to put in here, you should resize them to that size. Crop them, whatever you have to do before you upload them to here. Okay, and then stats here. There's a lot of stuff here under stats. Some of it's kind of interesting, some of it you'll probably never use, but it just shows you how many people are hitting the pages, which page they go to the most, which will tell you which products are the most popular. Just random information. So that's about it. That's a quick overview of everything that is on your dashboard. So I will make some more videos to get into the product section a little bit more, because I have a feeling that's the main part you'll be using.